Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-23, Steering Quadrant Center Bolt for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 2-23 Steering Quadrant Center Bolt for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up template MMGS and let's get building. Okay, let's open up right plane, sketch, circle in the middle, pretty much just like we've done, but it's just different dimensions. That's going to be 13, so that's going to be 13 mil. That's going to be extrude for 31. Done. Color. Thank you very much. This end here, sketch. You want a circle in the center. That's going to be 20. 20, and that's going to be 6 extrude. 6 extrude, done. So this one here is going to be sketch, circle, make sure it's the middle. Oh, sketch, thank you. That's going to be 10 mil. And that's going to stick out 9. So it can be extruded 9 mil. There we go, done. Now, it's going to be M10, so we want hole wizard thread. That's going to be that point there, up to. Thank you. Up to that point there. And that's going to be. There's M10. 10.125. And done. And that's part 2-23 Steering Quadrant Center Bolt done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So thank you for coming along. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.